Story number 2. The Sour Grapes. Listen carefully. The story will first be explained at a basic English, followed by an intermediate English, and finally at an advanced English. By listening to the story, you can assess your English proficiency level, as well as your ability to listen and understand English. If you are ready, let's get started. We will begin with basic English. One day a fox sees a beautiful bunch of grapes. The grapes hang on a vine in a tree. The grapes seem ready to burst with juice because they are so ripe. The fox feels his mouth water as he looks at the grapes longingly. Since the grapes are so high off the ground, the fox must jump up to reach them. He tries it but misses badly. He walks off a short distance and takes a running jump at the grapes, but again he falls short. Again and again he tries, but each time he falls short. Finally, he sits down and looks up at the grapes with disgust. It is foolish to waste time, and the grapes are probably sour anyway. With these thoughts in mind, he walks away from the tree in contempt. Moral of the story: many pretend to despise and belittle things which are beyond their reach. Now for intermediate English, listen carefully and see if you can understand. One day there was a fox who saw a beautiful bunch of ripe grapes. The grapes were hanging on a vine twisted around a tree branch. The grapes seemed ready to burst with juice due to their ripeness. The fox's mouth started watering as he gazed at the grapes longingly. The grapevine was so high, the fox had to jump up to have any chance of reaching them. He tried but fell well short of the mark. So, he walked off a short way and took a good running jump at the grapes. Unfortunately, he fell short yet again. Over and over he tried, but it was no use. He simply couldn't reach those grapes. Finally, he sat down and looked up at the grapes in disgust. All he could think of is what a fool he was to waste his efforts this way on a bunch of grapes which were probably sour anyway. With these thoughts in mind, he walked away from the tree in contempt. Now for advanced English, listen carefully and see if you can understand. One day there was a fox who spotted an attractive bunch of grapes hanging from a vine. The vine was carefully trained along the branches of a tree, and its grapes were so ripe they seemed ready to burst with their juices. Just looking at them made the fox's mouth water. Since the vine was pretty high up, he had to jump to have any hope of reaching the grapes. The first time he tried this, he fell well short of the mark. So, he took a good running jump at the grapes. Try as he might, however, the fox simply couldn't close the distance between himself and his delicious prize. Finally, realizing it was no use, he sat down and looked at the grapes with disgust. "What a fool I am," he chided himself. "I have been wasting my time on a bunch of grapes that are probably sour anyway." And with that, he stalked off scornfully. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.